Hello, my name is Brittany Wethington, and I've been teaching at Hillcrest Elementary for 3 years. All 3 years at Hillcrest, I've been teaching first grade. I teach English, science, social studies, and math. And the thing that I'm most excited about this year is getting to know each and every one of my new students. We're going to have a great year this year, no matter if it's virtual or in person. We're going to make the best of it, and I can't wait to learn and grow with all of you.
Hi, my name is Brittany Thomas. This will be my second year teaching first grade at Hillcrest. I'll be teaching all content areas, and I'm so excited to see each of you both virtually and in person.
Hello, my name is Carol Milton, and I am a first grade teacher. I'll be teaching first grade again this year, ELA, math, science, and social studies. This will be my 24th year of teaching. All 24 years have been in Dublin City schools. The one thing that I am looking forward to the most this year is giving all of my students a huge, big hug, and I cannot wait for when that time comes.
Hi, my name is Brittany Helton. This is my 10th year teaching and my second year teaching at Hillcrest Elementary School. I'll be teaching first grade math, science, social studies, and ELA. One thing I'm really excited for is to begin making memories. I'll see you soon.
Welcome back to school. My name is Tina Meeks. I am beginning my 28th year of teaching. I will be teaching language arts and math for kindergarten, first, and second. And I am most looking forward to getting back to school and hopefully eventually being back into the building with the faculty and staff and students. Let's have a great year.
Hi everybody, I'm Leanne Lawrence, and I'm excited to teach our leap rotation class again this year. This is my 18th year of teaching. Starting the year virtual is going to make the leap rotation look a little different this year. We won't be working in the garden together, but we will be learning to be amazing leaders and musicians. I'm also excited to share some exciting news about my family. We are expecting a baby boy in September. While I'm on maternity leave, my leap rotation classes will be interacting online with lessons that I've been planning this summer. I look forward to dropping in on Google Classroom to see all of my students.
My name is Coach Brown. This will be my second year teaching and my second year at Hillcrest. I'll be teaching physical education, and I'm very excited about this upcoming school year.
Hey guys, this is Mr. Crawford, the STEM Lab rotation teacher. For those that are not familiar with STEM, STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. I hope you've had a great summer and look forward to seeing you soon.